Hello everyone, my name is Utkarsha Anilwai. Today's topic is air pollution. Air pollution is the presence of harmful substance in the air that can have the adverse effect on human health, ecosystem and the environment. Common pollutions includes particular matters like nitrogen oxide, sulfur dioxide, carbon monoxide and volatile organic compounds. Sources of air pollution includes the vehicle emissions, industrial activities, burning fossil fuel, and natural sources like wildfires. Reducing air pollution typically involve the policies and the practices aim at the lowering emission, increasing the use of the clinical energy and the improving air quantity monitoring and the regulations. Air pollution is generally harmful, but it has some complex and unintended effects. Here, breakdown of the advantages and the disadvantages. Disadvantages of the air pollution like health issue. In health issue, air pollution can lead to the respiratory and the cardiovascular disease, including asthma, heart attack. Long-term exposure can causes the chronic health problems and the reduced life expectancy. Second, environmental impact. Pollutant can damage ecosystem, including forest, water bodies, and the wildlife. Air rain is the byproduct of the air pollution can harm vegetarian and the aquatic life. Climate changes. Third, air pollution like a carbon dioxide, methane contribute a global warming and the climatic changes, leading to mm, leading to more extreme weathers. Economical cost. Health problem causes the medical exposures and the lost productivity. Environmental damage can also result in the costly remediations effects. Advantages of air pollutions. First, economic growth. In some cases, industrial activity that contribute to air pollutions and are linked with economic developments and job creation. This can lead to improvement in the infrastructure and the living standards. Second, technological advancement. Efforts to control and reduce air pollutions often drive innovation in the technology and the environmental science, leading to the clearness technologies and more efficient process. Third, public awareness. High level of air pollution can raise the awareness about the environmental issue, promoting government and the organized to take action and implement cleaner practices. While there can be indirect benefits associated with the technology and the economic process, the overall impact of the air pollution is predominantly negative, emphasizing the need for effective mitigation strategies. Important of air pollution. Health impact. Air pollution significantly affect the public health, contributing to the respiratory and the cardiovascular diseases like cancer and the premature death. Addressing air pollution is the crucial for the improving overall health outcomes and the reducing healthcare costs. Second are the environmental damage. Air pollutant can harm the ecosystem by affecting the soil, water, and the plant life. For example, acid rain can damage the forest and the aquatic habits, leading to biodiversity loss and the ecosystem imbalance. Third, climatic changes. Certain pollutants such as greenhouse gases contribute to the global warming and the climatic changes. Understanding and mitigating air pollution helps in the addressing climate issue with have global implications. Fourth, economic cost. The economic impact of the air pollution include the healthcare cost, reduce workers' productivity and the damage to the infrastructure and the natural resources. Addressing pollution can reduce these costs and promote the sustainable economic development. Fifth, regulation and the policies. Study air pollutions underscore the needs for the effective regulation and the politics. Thank you.